Hi, my name is Bridget, and on this channel, I want to take you on a journey to living a clutter-free life, not just in your physical space but in your mind and emotions too. This is a story that changed my life, and I believe it can inspire yours. Let me take you back to 2020 where it all began. The world was at a standstill. Lockdown forced us all indoors. And with that came a wave of emotions I had never truly confronted. For the first time, I was left alone with my thoughts. No distractions, no running away, just me, myself, and everything I had buried deep within. At first, I didn't know what was wrong. I felt lost. There was this overwhelming uncertainty about life, about my purpose. It was as though all my fears, insecurities, and doubts had been waiting in the shadows. And now, they had found their moment to overwhelm me. I was exhausted from living a life that lacked direction, tired of feeling like I was stuck in a fog with no clear path forward. I kept asking myself, is this all there is to life? Will I always feel this lost? That's when everything began to change. I stumbled on a post on Instagram to register for a 3-week clarity session with DDK. It was called Activation Intensive. For the first time in what felt like forever, I began to see things differently. During those sessions, I learned something profound. My mind was cluttered, not with physical things but with burdens, fears, doubts, and uncertainties I hadn't even acknowledged. DDK put a name to what I needed at the time: decluttering, and that struck a chord. I realized that I couldn't build the life I desired until I removed the mental clutter holding me back. It was a wake-up call. I didn't just need clarity. I needed to declutter my life systematically. Slowly, step by step, I started letting go. Letting go of thoughts that weighed me down. Letting go of beliefs that no longer served me. And as I did, I started to see clearly. After that clarity session, I felt a renewed sense of purpose. I knew what I wanted and how to go after it. I realized that decluttering wasn't just about organizing your home or workspace. It was about organizing your life, your mind, and your emotions. And that's how my decluttering journey began. Over time, I've discovered tools and systems that have helped me stay intentional. Journaling, planning, affirmations, and yes, even taking breaks. These became my go-to practices for staying on track. I'm sharing this story because I know I'm not alone. Maybe you're watching this right now, and you feel stuck. Maybe you're tired of carrying around invisible baggage that's keeping you from living your best life. I want you to know that it's possible to let go. Decluttering isn't just about removing physical junk. It's about making space for clarity, growth, and peace of mind. So join me on this journey. On this space, I'll be sharing everything I've learned and am still learning about living a clutter-free life. Together, we'll discover how to create a life filled with purpose, balance, and joy. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to walk this journey with you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share to watch the next video.